Hey there, content creators. In today's video, we have something truly exciting to discuss. We'll be diving into the world of artificial intelligence copywriting tools that are revolutionizing the way we create compelling content. If you're tired of writers' articles or spending countless hours on content creation, then you've come to the right place. Get ready to explore the top 5 AI copywriting tools that will take your content to the next level. Let's jump right in. Our first AI copywriting tool on the list is Jarvis.ai. Jarvis.ai is an AI writing tool that helps you create high-quality content quickly and easily. Whether you're writing for marketing, blogging, or customer service, Jarvis.ai can help you generate text that is relevant, flows naturally, and has a consistent tone. This versatile tool can also generate ideas, headlines, and outlines within seconds, helping you save time and unleash your creative potential. Jarvis.ai offers a variety of templates to help you get started with your content, and it can also be used to brainstorm ideas, flesh out concepts, and write in different styles. In addition, Jarvis.ai provides a range of features that can improve the quality of your content. So, if you are looking for a powerful writing tool that can help you save time and improve your content, Jarvis.ai is a great option. Sign up for a free trial today and see how Jarvis.ai can help you take your content to the next level. Click the link in the description to get started. Next up, we have Content at Scale. Content at Scale is a powerful platform designed to help website owners and marketers create and publish high-quality, AI-generated content quickly and easily. The platform includes a free AI content detector that can be used to check if your content has been generated by AI. Content at Scale can also generate large volumes of SEO-optimized content quickly and easily. And to make sure that your content is performing well, Content at Scale also provides analytics, so you can track and measure your content performance. So if you're looking for an easy way to create and publish high-quality content at scale, then Content at Scale is the perfect solution. Try it today for free. Number 3. Surferseo. As content creators, we all strive to create content that ranks well on search engines. That's where Surferseo comes in. This AI copywriting tool helps you optimize your content for search engines by analyzing top-performing articles and suggesting improvements. It provides valuable insights into keyword density, article structure, and other key SEO elements. With Surferseo, you can create SEO-friendly content that drives organic traffic to your website. Surferseo can help you increase your organic traffic, improve your conversion rates, and even boost your brand awareness through optimized content. So if you're looking to increase your search engine ranking, then Surferseo is a powerful tool that you should consider using. Number 4. WriteSonic AI. If you're looking for an AI copywriting tool that empowers your copywriting efforts, look no further than WriteSonic AI. It offers a wide range of features, including blog post generation, brainstorming ideas, writing Facebook ad copy, and even composing emails. The Sonic editor lets you improve the grammar, style, and clarity of your content, finding and replacing words, fixing typos, and more. The paraphraser helps you rewrite content so that it is unique and original, while the expander lets you add more details and ideas. Finally, the shortener can help you remove unnecessary words and phrases from your content. So if you're looking for a powerful AI writing tool to help you create content quickly and easily, WriteSonic might be what you're looking for. Last but not least, we have Gocharlie.ai helps you generate content quickly and efficiently. Using its goal-driven and multimodal content creation engine, Charlie, you can create content that is tailored to your brand's voice, products, and goals. Charlie can create content across text, images, and more, and can be used to write social media posts, create marketing materials, and even generate stories. Gocharlie.ai is a great tool if you're looking to create content that resonates with your target audience and drives engagement. So what are you waiting for? Get started with Gocharlie.ai today. And there you have it, the top 5 AI copywriting tools that are changing the game for content creators. From Jarvis.ai versatility to Content at Scale's content empowerment, Surferseo SEO optimization to WriteSonic AI copywriting empowerment, and finally, Gocharlie conversational AI, these tools are here to revolutionize your content creation process. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way, and remember to subscribe and hit that bell icon for notifications. See you next time.